Hello dear student, welcome to in this class once again. In last video we have discussed about the characteristics of solution and types of solution. In types of solution we studied that homogeneous solution, that means saturated solution, unsaturated solution and supersaturated solution. Okay. In this video, in this lecture, we will discuss about the qualitative effect of temperature on solubility. That means, what is the effect of temperature of solubility? If solubility increase or decrease depend upon the temperature of solution. I would like to tell you that the solubility of any substance, solubility of any salt is directly proportional to the temperature. That means when temperature is increases, solubility increases. But the different salt have different solubility in same kind of solvent. Okay, in this topic, in this lecture, we will study only the aqueous solution. That means here solvent is water. And what is the effect of solubility of different kind of solute in water? The solubility of any solute depends upon the nature, upon the unique nature of the solute. When solute or any substance dissolved in water, the partial positive charge of water and partial negative charge of water attract opposite parts of charges. When any substance dissolved in water, the partial positive charge of water attract to the negative part of salt, while the negative part of water attract to the positive part of salt. And each salt had unique interionic forces, and this force separate every salt. Okay, and each salt have unique interionic forces. That means therefore solubility of each salt is different in similar solvent. Each salt had unique interionic forces. That means different kind of salt having different interionic forces. Okay, due to this the solubility of each salt is different in same kind of solvent. Okay, today we will discuss about the solubility of potassium nitrate. Solubility of potassium nitrate, and we draw here the solubility curve of potassium nitrate. You can see here the solubility of potassium nitrate in cold water, 0 degree Celsius, that means cold water, is very less. But the solubility increases as the temperature is increases, and the solubility of potassium nitrate is very high at boiling water. Okay, you can see here y-axis and x-axis. Y-axis represents the solubility in gram per 100 ml of water. That means this is in gram and dissolved per 100 ml of water. Okay, and the x-axis represents the temperature in Celsius. degree Celsius. Clear? You can see here at 0 degree Celsius, the solubility of potassium nitrate is 13, in this condition, 13 gram per 100 ml of water. Okay? But as the temperature is increases, the solubility gradually increases and reaches at 240 gram to 40 gram in 100 ml of water at 100 degrees Celsius. Clear? That means here 250, this line shows the 250 gram of potassium nitrate in 100 ml of water, but the dot it represents here, that means this point shows 240 gram of 240 gram in 100 ml of water at 100 degrees Celsius. That means as the temperature is increases, the solubility of potassium nitrate also increases. But in cold water, the solubility is very less and it is 13 gram per 100 ml of water. This is the potassium nitrate curve, yani solubility curve of potassium nitrate. Okay, how does the solubility varies with rising the temperature? You can see at 20 degrees Celsius, the solubility near about 25 gram per 100 ml of water. At 30 degrees Celsius, the solubility of potassium nitrate is 40 gram per 100 ml of water, while at 40 degrees Celsius, as the temperature increases of solution to the 40 degrees Celsius, the solubility of potassium nitrate is 50 gram per 100 ml of water. As the temperature increases 60 degrees Celsius, the solubility of potassium nitrate is 100 gram per 100 ml of water. Okay? As the temperature once again increases 90 degrees Celsius, the solubility of potassium nitrate is 200 gram per 100 ml of water. And when 100 degrees Celsius temperature reaches, the solubility is near about 240 gram per 100 ml of water. You can see the solubility of any substance how does varies with rising the temperature, with increasing the temperature, with changes the temperature. Once again, I would like to say you that the solubility of any substance increases with increasing temperature. But different kinds of substance have different solubility in same kind of solvent. Okay? And one thing more, the solubility is directly proportional to the temperature. That means as the temperature increases, solubility also increases. Clear? And you can observe how the salt dissolved in water. We have discussed that in water when substance is dissolved and ionic compound is dissolved, the positive part of water attract the negative part of salt, while the negative part of water attract the positive part of salt, and force acting between the solute and solvent molecule known as interionic forces, Clear? And the interionic forces are different substances in same kind of solvent. Okay? So I think you are getting what I want to say you. Okay? Now in next topic we will discuss about the solubility of sodium chloride in water. How does the solubility of sodium chloride varies with rising temperature, and the solubility of calcium sulfate how does vary in rising temperature. Okay, thank you, all the best.